good day everyone. So, it's story time. I was driving a motorcycle this morning. May isa po akong kasama sa work na nakita ko. Nadaanan niya ako and naalala ko one day, sinabi niya na, "Ma'am, huwag po kayong masyadong malate." At dahil doon, talagang nagsumikap ako na huwag nang malate. Nahihiya din naman ako sa kanila. So, kaya lang, talagang true na mahirap po talagang hindi ako malate kasi po malayo po yung bahay ko to work. Tas ganoon na nga po yung nangyari nung lumagpas po siya sa akin. Nakita ko siya. I've tried my best na habulin siya. So I drive very fast until sa pagddrive ko po there are times na malapit na po akong mabangga. Tas malapit na po akong out of balance. It is because kasi di na po ako nag-iisip o di na po ako nagfo-focus sa sarili ko po. I've tried na habulin po siya. It's very hard and I was so scared. Sobra po akong nagsisisi. Okay, that time I just drive normally and I just realized that it is just the same sa ating buhay. Hindi ko kailangan i-pressure yung sarili ko na habulin ng sino man at anumang bagay sa mundo. I have my own path and I don't need to focus with. My coworker is faster than me as he drive his motorcycle or life as he driving long time ago, and he knows me better as of today. So I am risking my life, no? So I am risking my life. So to go together with the path my coworker is going to. So it's true that we have the same road, but there are different things that may happen in the same road. It is really true that we don't need to pressure ourselves. Life must be go in the different ways. So we need to enjoy every ride, no pressure, and be safe always. Happy life.